Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I would like to present 10 review article about the use of digital technology to improve student speaking English skill. Although each article discusses a different topic, but they all have a same goal, which is helping students become better English speakers through technology. Let's begin with the first article. The title is Digital Storytelling Media to Improve Student Speaking Skills. The study explores how digital storytelling can help elementary school students can improve their speaking skills. The researchers use a quantitative method with a pre-test and post-test involved 23 students. After the implementation, the students showed a better speaking skills performance, become more confident expressing their idea. This article, the researchers supported their finding with a clear statistical data and a detailed speaking assessment rubric. However, the study only involved a small number of participants and did not explain much about how the activity were carried out in the classroom. Even so, this article showed that digital storytelling can make speaking lessons more interesting and enjoyable. Second is the use of digital media to improve student speaking skills. Similar to the first article, this study also focuses on technology, but it discusses digital media in general. The researchers compared two groups of students. One group learned with digital media, and the other group learned with the traditional learning methods. One interesting point of the comparison in this article is the between two groups make the finding easy to understand. However, I think the article could have explained more about the learning process, so readers would know exactly what activity helps students improve. Third article is analyzes the use of social media in enhancing student speaking skills. Unlike the previous article, this study focused on social media, especially TikTok, as a tool for learning English. The researchers collected data through questionnaire and interview to understand student experience. The findings showed that social media helps students become more confident and fluent because they had more opportunities to practice speaking skills in a fun way. I think this article is easy to understand because it explains student experience clearly. However, it only discusses one social media platform, so it would be more interesting if it compare between TikTok with other platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Next, we will moving to fourth article. This article different technologies such as YouTube, video, and PowerPoint. The researchers found that technology helps students improve their speaking skills by increasing their motivation and classroom participation. What makes this article interesting because includes opinion from both teachers and students, so the discussion feels more complex. However, the article mainly highlights the positive effect and give only a little attention to the challenges of using technology in class. Even so, it gives teachers many ideas about how technology can support speaking activity. 5. The effectiveness of using tech application in improving student speaking skills. Focuses on one learning application, which is the Cake application. Cake helps students improve their pronunciation, speaking skills, and confidence through regular practice. I like this article because it explains the features on the application quite clearly and making it easy for readers to understand how it works. However, since the study is based on previous research, it does not provide direct evidence from students in real classroom. Even so, the article suggests that learning application can be practical way to improve speaking skills anytime and anywhere. Next is a sixth article exploring student perception of YouTube media for speaking. Similar to the previous article, This study is also discussed one digital platform. This is YouTube. The researchers use interview and to explore students' and opinion about learning English through YouTube video. Most students cite that YouTube helped them improve their pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence because they could learn from native speakers and they can repeat the video whenever they want. One thing I like about this article that shows student real experience because it's in real life, student making the discussion more relatable. However, because the data only came from student opinions, the result may be quite subjective. Next, the sixth is exploring student perception of YouTube media for speaking. Similar of the previous article, this study also discusses one digital platform, but this time the focus on YouTube. The researchers use interview to explore student opinion about learning English through YouTube video. Most students cite that YouTube helped them to improve their pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence because they could learn from native speakers and repeat the video whenever they want. One thing I like about this article is that it shows student real experience, the discussion more relatable. However, because the data only come from student opinions, the result may be quite subjective. 7 is the new way to improve learners' speaking skills through articulate storyline. This study introduced the interactive learning media developed using articulate storyline. The researchers applied the AD model to design and evaluate the learning media. After testing it, they found that students become more motivated and show better speaking performance. I think this article is well organized because it explains each stage the development process clearly. However, it would be better if the researchers also the discussion some of the difficult teachers might face using in the media in the classroom. Even so, this study proved that interactive learning media can make speaking activity more engaging. 8 is improving English speaking through media in digital age. This article discusses how different digital media can help students overcome common speaking problems, such as limited vocabulary, poor pronunciation, and how confidence. The researchers collected information through interview and documentation. The findings showed that digital media encouraged students to practice more often and made learning English more enjoyable. I like this article because it's not only explain the problems but also offer practical solution. However, the number of participants was quite limited, so the finding may not represent all university students. Overall, this article emphasizes that digital media has become more important part of the language learning today. 9. Improving speaking and presentation skills through interactive multimedia environment. This study is a little different because it focuses not only speaking skills but also on presentation skills. The researchers collected data through questionnaires, interview, and presentation assessment. The results show that students become more confident and perform better learning with interactive multimedia. I think the article is quite reliable because it combines both quantitative and qualitative data. However, the number of participants was still limited. It's so more research need to strengthen to finding. The article reminds us that technology can support different communication skills, not only speaking. The last is improving EFL students' speech proficiency through AI-driven interaction ChatGPT impact. The last article discusses one of the newest technologies in language learning, which is artificial intelligence. The researchers used test questionnaires and interview to examine how ChatGPT affects students speaking English. The results show that students become more fluent, more confident, and better organized when expressing their idea in English. I think this article is very interesting because it presents complete data and discusses a technology that is widely used today. On the other hand, the researchers also mentioned that students also not depend too much on AI, and some advanced features are only available for paid users. Okay, after reviewing all 10 articles, I found that they all have one important message. Technology has become an effective tool for improving English speaking skills. Each article discusses a different type of technology, starting from digital storytelling, digital media, social media, learning application, YouTube, interactive media, multimedia, and finally, artificial intelligence through ChatGPT. Although each study uses different research methods and participants, they all report positive results. Technology helps students become more confident, more motivated, and more active in speaking skills. At the same time, teachers also have more creative ways to make speaking lesson and meaningful. Okay guys, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.